Hello my loves. So today's vlog is going to be exceptionally exciting. I am on my way now with hubby to my first meetup. I cannot wait to meet some of you tonight. I am going to do my best to vlog tonight. My darling, amazing husband is going to be helping me because, yeah, even though it is a short event, I want to get around and chat to you as much as I can. I can't believe this is happening. To be honest, I've been a bit nervous, but I'm just so touched that so many of you want to come along. I'm really sorry to those of you that may not have got an invite and you guys expressed your interest. I had no idea that so many people wanted to come. Maybe we'll hold another one. Maybe I can come to next time I'm in Hawaii or I don't know, Singapore. What do you guys think? It doesn't have to be like this. It could be just casual. But tonight I'm just blown away. I never thought that a luxury French maison would want to work with me, not only host my event. So I will try and vlog as much as I can and show you the beautiful store and just the events in general. So I will catch you more when I get there, and I'm just so excited.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. The way you touch me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody.
Yeah, I will. Yeah. Oh, really? You do Hello.
How do you look younger than before?
Oh, no, I don't.
Put it for lockdown. This was your magic.
I know. Ready? Hi everyone, I hope you all can hear me. I just wanted to thank you so much for coming tonight. I know some of you I've chatted to online, but tonight's just really special to me because I actually get to meet all of you in person, so I really appreciate you taking the time to come. I also want to give a special thanks to Faure Le Page, to Bernard, Patricia, Sylvia for making this event just like amazing. It's actually come at the perfect time because it was this day, like exactly 6 years ago, I uploaded my first YouTube video. So I'm like, yeah, so it was like perfect timing, and yeah, I just feel really honored and privileged to be working with such a amazing luxury maison. I'm not sure if you guys have already done so, but there's a box there. If you haven't put your name in the box, make sure you do, because at around 7-ish, we've got a couple of prizes with one major prize. So stick around for that. But in the meantime, just like enjoy the champagne, enjoy the canapes. I hope you meet lots of friends. Thank you for coming along, and I'm just gonna pass the time over to Bernard, who's the general manager of Faure Le Page, to say a couple of words.
Thank you very much, Mel. My name is Bernard. I'm the general manager for Faure Le Page in Australia. We've been in Melbourne for about 1.5 years now, and we also just opened a new store in Sydney on King Street. We're delighted to host everyone here. Thank you very much, Mel, again. And just a little bit about the store. Every store around the world has a very different flavour to it. And Faure Le Page, what we like is we like to take inspiration from the country. This store in Melbourne is inspired by nature and you can see there's a lot of elements around the boutique that incorporate nature, like our rug and this tree, which is a bit unusual. That's very similar to our creations as well. Every one of our creations has a unique story, and as you know, we used to make weapons since 1717. That is our history. So we thank you for coming tonight, and invite you back into the boutique at any time. Thank you.
Okay, so please, I'm going to get around and chat to all of you, and yeah, enjoy the night.
We'll see you again shortly when we do the draw. Thank you.
Thank you.
This city of mine, it never gets me down.
Yellow more. Great, thank you. Great.
Just got the brass handle. Yeah. This actually fits quite a lot together, isn't it? And at least it's, even though it's black, it's got a little bit of yellow, so you're not quite enough. I'm so glad that it was like helpful with tip too, because like I still like it. I love it. It's just
I read the different videos and you know what it
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. Yeah.
We'll now be doing a bit of a lucky draw, and we've got 3 prizes prepared. The first prize is actually a gift voucher from Faure Le Page. Second prize and third prize is a bottle of Faure Le Page champagne that we're going to take home and enjoy at a later stage. So I'll draw it now.
a lot of interest.
Okay. In third prize we have Bernice Lee. We're about to do the second prize. Okay, we've got Amy Choi here.
Okay, so first prize, drum roll. This is actually a $500 Faure Le Page. Yeah, so, alright. Okay, I'm looking at... The winner is Jennifer. Jennifer, wait. Does it have a surname? Jennifer Leono. Jennifer Leono. Yeah, that's you! Yeah, that's you, right? Yeah! There we go. Thank you very much. Congrats to all the winners. Thank you so much.
Hang around. We have plenty of champagne at the back. So enjoy the rest of your night, and we look forward to welcoming you again to our store. Thank you.
But anyway, let's just chat and I'll try to get around to everybody. Thank you! I love wearing Mother's Day. Well done, husband. Thank you. What's your... What's my height? Oh, what's my height? Yes. 164. I'm 5'4". I'm already here.
The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you.
Probably not as long as that. A few years ago. Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Oh, it's a happy fee. It's so exciting tonight. I need something with it.
Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed that vlog of my first meetup. I'm still on a high, but I'm utterly exhausted, but honestly such a good exhausted. I'm just overwhelmed and blown away that so many of you came. It was a full house. And I just really loved chatting to you all, and it was just so much fun. And it really, I know I said this in my stories, but it makes me so happy that all of you guys connected so well, and then you formed new friendships, and then you guys might have your own little meetups. I think in this luxury community, not everyone understands maybe our love for luxury, so it's so nice to meet people that have the same interests. And I could just see so many people just getting along and like chatting like they've known each other for ages, and that really warmed my heart. I honestly couldn't have asked for a better meetup, and I just want to thank you all so much for making it so special for me. One thing that I said on the night, if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram here. I've also got a highlight of all my stories there, so you can check it out there as well. But yeah, this event actually on the 14th of May, it is actually exactly the day I released my first YouTube video exactly 6 years ago. So that wasn't planned. It was just, it just came to be that way. And I just can't tell you how perfect it was. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I also just quickly wanted to show, some of you even gave me gifts, like you didn't even have to. So I just quickly wanted to show you guys like what I got. So in here, I don't even know what this is. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I guess this is me and Sunshine and Miss S. There's even a Chanel. I mean, is that delicious? Just visually, I'm sure it's gonna be delicious to eat. I'm gonna steam these tomorrow and eat them up. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so creative. Wow. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'll leave her Instagram down below. The event turned out even better than I thought. I think 65 of you came, which is more than I was expecting. So I was like, wowzers. And then in here, this is from Kathleen. Hi, Kathleen. She's got a little card. So let's just have a look. Family, family. You guys are my family. And thank you so much. I'll read that a little bit later. Let me show you what Kathleen got. You know, all these gifts, big or small, I wasn't expecting anything, so I'm so thankful. And oh, she got me a eye mask. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Look, it's an eye mask. That's so sweet. This is so soft. Thank you so much, Kathleen. I love a good sleep mask, so thank you so, so much. Everyone that gave gifts, I'm gonna leave their Instagram down below as well. And then in here, I know this is from Jen, and she loves crystals. She's written me a little note as well, but she actually gave something to each of the family. I'm guessing these two are for hubby. Actually says, oh, for hubby and Sunshine, it's gold obsidian, and I'm guessing this is like a stone, so they're gonna love that. And then this pink one is Flower Agate for Miss S, a little pink one. She's gonna love that. And the blue Amazonite is for Mel, because blue is my favorite color. And what a thoughtful gift. This is just going to be so lovely, and it's so special because I can't believe you labeled it all and everything. So that is what it looks like. Look, it goes in my outfit. Oh, I will link my outfit. I got so many questions on where my outfit's from, so I'll link it below as well. And then this is from Sweet Mia. And let's see what Mia got. Can I just open it up? Oh my gosh, it's all wrapped up really nice. Oh my gosh, I'll leave Mia's Instagram. Oh my gosh, she got me something floral. She got me is this me or is this me? Mia, thank you so, so much. This is so lovely. I can't believe she got me a dress. Thank you so much, Mia. I am so thoroughly spoiled by you guys. Thank you again. Thank you to Faure Le Page. I had the best night and I feel even closer to you guys, and I hope I can do this again one day, maybe in a different country, maybe in Melbourne again, but thank you from the bottom of my heart. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please join our fam. Our 300K is coming up soon, and I just want to give back even more to you guys. So have a great day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.